In this video, you'll learn how to customize Webflow templates. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience with Webflow, customizing templates is a fantastic way to create a unique website without starting from scratch. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head on over to webflow.com. If you haven't already, make sure to log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Webflow dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your projects. Next, look for the All Sites button. This is usually located at the top of your dashboard, and clicking it will take you to a page displaying all your existing projects. Here's where you can manage, edit, or create new sites. Now, let's create a new site. Spot the New Site button at the top right of the page. Clicking on this will open a new window, offering you options to start from scratch or use a template. For this tutorial, we're focusing on templates, so go ahead and click on Template. You'll be presented with a variety of templates designed for different purposes. Whether you're interested in a portfolio, business site, or e-commerce layout, there's something for everyone. Browse through the available templates to find one that suits your needs. Once you've made your choice, click on Select to proceed. Now comes the fun part, customizing your template. Webflow offers a powerful visual editor that allows you to change almost every aspect of your template. You can adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to fit your brand or personal style. Don't hesitate to experiment with different elements. The editor is intuitive, and any changes you make can be previewed in real time. While customizing, keep in mind the overall design and functionality of your website. It's essential to maintain a balance between aesthetics and usability. If you're unsure about a particular design choice, Webflow's community and resources are excellent for inspiration and guidance. Once you're happy with your customizations, remember to save your work frequently. Webflow does a great job of auto-saving, but it's always a good practice to ensure your hard work is stored safely. And that's it. You've successfully customized a Webflow template. With these steps, you can create a professional and personalized website without the need for extensive coding knowledge. As you become more familiar with the platform, you'll find even more ways to enhance and personalize your site. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to check out other videos for more tips and tricks on using Webflow. Happy designing!